So this morning I'm doing my potato harvest. I'm ready to put the sweet potatoes in the pot. So this is the whites and purples. Nice one there. It did rain last night, but it didn't seem to get this soil too wet, so few very nice sized potatoes. Now these plants had not died back, so I have a few that we didn't get, but it's okay. See the little small ones up there? They could have grown to be a nice size, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna dump these out and let's see what we got. So here's the dirt. The roots did go down to the bottom, but so far not seeing anything. Well, that seed potato, yeah, this is the seed potato. Put the dirt back in there. I'm gonna put this dirt back in there. What I noticed was there was a lot of just moist spots, moist areas. So I guess I didn't mix the soil up good enough when I was putting it into the pot. So lesson learned. Now for pot number 2. 20-gallon container number 2 contains the reds and blues, and I've already got red. Nice size red. And blues apparently did a whole lot better. All right. Whoa. They split. Some of them split, but that's okay. They're still edible if they split. They just don't store that well. And this looks like the seed potato. There. Trying to shake off as much dirt. Yeah, seed potato, actually, that's a new sprout there. So I guess I could actually put it back in the pot, but it's time for something else. Alright, so this is all that I have. I did get a little bit of everything. Well, I only got one purple, but it's okay. Got a few blues, a couple of reds. Reds are actually nice size, and lots of whites. So learned my lesson. I did find out that I did not have enough perlite in these two, so that's why some spots, the spots that had the perlite were dry, and the spots that did not were wet. So I actually pulled out a rotten potato. So lesson learned, but I did get some potatoes. So I ran to the local nursery to get some perlite. $7.99 for the black gold 8 quart. So here's the pot with where I took the potatoes out at. As you see, it looks more like just peat moss. So I'm gonna add some more perlite to it and mix it up. try to get it down at least say about 6 inches. It's probably about as much as, you know, the roots go down. So just gonna keep working it in until it starts to look a little bit better than what it did. Alright, so this looks much better. Much better. This is what it should have looked like in the beginning, but that was my fault. So I should not have any issues now with it being dry in certain places and wet in others. So